Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make the side twisted turban with embellishment. Yes, I have my turban cap made. I have the link of how I made the turban cap in the description box. Just check the description box of this video. You see the link to where I made the turban cap. Now I have these two pieces of fabric cut out, and you can see the measurement is 23 inches by 8 inches in two places. So I'm going to fold in half and I'm going to sew from one end to the other end. I repeat the same procedure on the second piece. Now, having done that, I'm going to just flip the right side of these two pieces of fabric out. Now, the next step is for us to insert foam into the spaces of fabric. And what I was just doing here was to measure the width of the fabric after sewing, and I had about 3.5 inches. So I am using the same measurement for my foam, and the length is the same as that of the fabric. All right, so I'm just going to tuck in the foam inside. The foam I'm using has a width of about half an inch, so I will just tuck in the foam inside like this, and I will repeat the same on the other piece. You may find this part a little bit tedious, so just come to the other end of the piece of fabric and drag the foam out. Now at this point I have the foams in the two pieces of fabric, and I'm going to join the two ends of these pieces with my needle and thread. So I'm just going to fold like that, the way I just gathered the tip, and I'm going to sew. I'll just tack them together like this. I was just trying to make sure that the tip of these two pieces of fabric are well tacked. Okay, I cut off the excess thread, and the next step is for us to twist. I'm just going to twist both pieces together like this. For best results, you can get someone to hold down one end for you while you twist. So you just twist like that, twist the two together, and we're going to tack like that with needle and thread. Now I'm going to tag this to my turban cap. All right, I tagged one end of the twisted piece to the cap. At this point I'll just leave you guys to watch how I do the finishing. I used my glue to attach the twisted piece to the cap, and I also sew with needle and thread. Please keep watching.